I want to talk about the hard wiring of the thermostat. We got a diagram here of the split unit, and we'll talk about a few things here. A couple important things you need to know is, again, what we need to connect up here. From our CXM board, we need our AL1 connected to the L terminal on that thermostat. We got from our air handler in a split situation, W to W, C all the way through, R all the way through. Again, our split units do not have a transformer in them, so we must send that 24 volts out there to the split unit. We got a G all the way through. Very important. Something that gets forgotten is that G needs to be sent from the thermostat all the way through to the CXM board in order to be able to read the messages on the stat properly. We got our O for our reversing valve all the way through. Y1 all the way through to Y on the CXM board. And again, all our split units are two-stage units, and Y2 is going to come from the thermostat to the air handler to the split unit, where then that gets wire nutted on to a separate blue wire that has a nice red tag on it explaining that to the installer. Now, a couple other wires that will need to be run whenever you're able to connect the FP2 sensor onto that coil properly is you'll have to run two more conductors back to the CXM board from your air handler. So when you look at the total number of wires that you're going to need here, look just what's even in the diagram here. You're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with the FP2 sensor. So you're looking at pulling probably a 10 conductor, because that's what you're going to get out in the field there in order to be able to run from the air handler to the split unit. Thank you very much. Just wanted to explain a few things on this 0403 stat and its wiring.